Good day, sir. So this is all about Ubuntu, its history, key features, notable people, and commands. So what is Ubuntu? So Ubuntu is a free open source operating system based on Debian Linux distribution. It is designed to be user-friendly, secure, and reliable, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced users. Ubuntu is developed and maintained by Canonical, company founded to provide a professional support and service for Ubuntu users. It comes with a wide range of pre-installed software and support thousands of additional packages through its software center. Whether used on desktop servers or in the cloud, Ubuntu is known for its simplicity, strong community support, and regular updates. History of Ubuntu. Ubuntu was first released in October 2004 by Mark Shuttleworth, South African entrepreneur through his company Canonical. It was created as a more user-friendly and regularly updated alternative to Debian, one of the oldest and most stable Linux distributions. Ubuntu follows a predictive release cycle with new versions of every 6 months and long-term support releases every 2 years. Over time, it has grown into one of the most popular Linux distributions globally, used for desktop servers and cloud infrastructure. Its emphasis on ease of use, open source principles, and strong community support has contributed greatly to its success. So notable people, Mark Shuttleworth, syempre siya yung founder ng Ubuntu and also Canonical. Siya yung South African entrepreneur and also he's a space tourist. So he started Ubuntu to make Linux easier to use. Jane Silver, former CEO of Canonical, she led the company from 2010 to 2017. She helped grow Ubuntu in cloud and enterprise markets. So Matt Zimmerman, early CTO of Canonical, he guided Ubuntu's technical direction and ensured strong ties between Ubuntu and Debian. So key features, user-friendly, madali siyang gamitin, madali siyang i-navigate, even beginner users. Secure and stable built-in firewalls and updates. So regular updates and LTS versions. So ayan, dito papasok yung pagiging maganda, secure, and ensuring na yung gumagamit is hindi na mag-iisip na pwedeng i-breach yung nila, madaling i-breach yung operating system nila. So software center, easy app installation, and community support. Large user and dev base. So basic Ubuntu commands, this directory contains ls, cd, change directory, sudo, run command as super user, apt install pkg, install software via apt, and pwd show current directory path, and cp copy, mv move, and rm delete files or remove files. Why use Ubuntu? Great for beginners, developers, active community and documentation, ideal for desktop servers and cloud computing, and backed by canonical regular support and updates. So summary, Ubuntu is a powerful, user-friendly Linux operating system suitable for a wide range of users. It was launched in 2004 by Maisha Turbo with the goal of making Linux accessible to everyone. Ubuntu offers security, regular updates, and large selection of software supports on desktops, servers, and in cloud environments. With its active community backing from Canonical, Ubuntu remains one of the most trusted open source platforms today. Thank you.